Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sulistiono. I am a master student of elementary education at Muhammadiyah University of Purwokerto. I will present the result of my research with title Implementation of Sport Education Model, SEM, to increase learning interest and critical reasoning ability of grade 6 elementary school student in PJOK subject in Pagedongan Subdistrict. About background, my research is 1. Furthermore, Jawed, Bain, and Ennis, 1995, state that sport education is a form of curriculum learning model based on the theory of competitive play with competition result depending on the skill and strategies of each team. When interpreted based on the above definition, sport education model is a curriculum model based on play theory in cooperative activities that help an individual to gain maturation and individual social competence according to the role in the group to coordinate and manage their own sport experience, accept individual responsibility, and demonstrate membership skill in the group in order to achieve success in following the sport education season. Number 2, sport education model according to Metzel 2005. Metzer 2000 has strong implication as a curriculum and teaching, so it is a dual function model. The most prominent application of learning is sport, which is in the organizing center for physical education program. Everything taught and learning in the achievement context is a progression of direct instruction. Small group cooperative and peer teaching decide with a cooperative approach to teaching and learning sport. Number 3, the sport education model, in addition to being a curriculum model, can also be used as a learning model when sport education is seen by the line of the learning season. It can be called a curriculum model. While when sport education model is seen from each meeting, it can be said that it is a learning model by using various learning model. Objective. Referring to the above problems, the purpose of this study is to identify the effect of the implementation of the sport education model on learning, interest, and critical reasoning skill of grade 6 student in PJOK subject at SD Negeri 1 Pagedongan. Methods of the research. The population of the study were all grade 6 students of SD Negeri 1 Pagedongan and SD Negeri 1 Gendansari in the 2023-2024 academic year. The sampling technique used is random sampling technique. This research is a pseudo-experimental research with the design of the post-test only control group design. Result and discussion. Number 1. Based on the instrument validity test, the value of each item for the PJOK learning variable using SEM, learning interest and critical reasoning ability are count, bigger than, R tabel, and the SIG value, totaled value 1 point correct 0.000 smaller than 0.05 in each question item so that it is declared valid. Number 2, the result of the reliability test calculation, a variable is said to be reliable if it has a Kronberg alpha A value bigger than 0.6. The value of Kronberg alpha for each variable in the study is bigger than 0.6, which means that the instrument in this study is reliable and can be used for further research. Number 3. The normality test used in this study is the one sample Kolmogorov-Smirnov test using a significance level of 0.05. Data is declared normally distributed if the significance of greater than 5% or 0.05. The critical thinking skill and collaboration variable have a significant value of 0.2002. So in this study, the two variables can be set to the normally distributed. Hypothesis 1. Based on the significant value of the coefficient table, a significant value of 0.00 small than 0.05 is obtained, so it can be concluded that the same variable x influences the learning's interest variable y1. Based on the t-value of the calculated t-value of 3.362 bigger than t-table 1.314, it can be concluded that the learning video variable x influences the learning interest variable y1. Based the constant value and the regression equation on the influence of mathematical learning using additional one value of Pejoka learning using same on learning interest skill is 0.496. Hypothesis 2. Based on the significant value for the coefficient table, a significant value of 0.00 small than 0.05 is obtained, so it can be concluded that the learning video variable x influences the critical reasoning ability variable y2. Based on the value from the count value 3.221 bigger than t-table 2.036, it can be concluded that the learning video variable x influences the critical reasoning ability variable y2. Based on the constant value and the regression equation on the influence Pejoka learning using SAM on critical reasoning ability is y equal a plus bx, namely y equal 43.314 plus 0.502x, which meaning that each value of Pejoka learning using SAM on critical reasoning ability is 0.502. Conclusion. Based on the result of research and data analysis using sample linear regression technique that have been carried out in study, it can be concluded that first, there is significant influence of learning Pejoka using a sport education model on the learning interest of grade 6 student of SD Negeri 1 Pagetongan Banjarnegara academic year 2023-2024. The magnitude of the influence of learning Pejoka using the sport education model on learning interesting 32%. The remaining 68% is influenced by other factors. The second, There is significant influence of learning PJOK using the sport education model on the critical reasoning ability of grade 6 student of SD Negeri 1 Pagedongan, Banjarnegara, academic year 2023-2024. The magnitude of the influence of learning PJOK using sport education model on critical reasoning ability is 30% and remaining 70% influenced by other factors. This is because learning PJOK using sport education model together can be learning innovation that can increase student interest in learning and critical reasoning skill, make it easy to solve a problem. Therefore, it is highly recommended for education to use the sport education model in teaching sport PJOK as learning innovation in school. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.